Let's learn about how to connect your MuLearn account and QSeverse app. Click on the Join MuLearn button to get started. Now, let's start with creating a MuLearn account. Now, you can select your passion if you know it, or we will help you to discover. Congrats, your account has been created. Now let's see how can we connect with QSeverse app. After account creation, visit your profile to copy your MuID located under your profile picture. Now, click on the Connect Now button to proceed with the QSeverse wallet connection. Click on the suitable app store to download the app. Click on the Discover app icon, then click on the MuLearn application. Now, tap on Connect, then paste the copied MuID. Please enter the OTP sent to your registered email to proceed. Start by tackling your level 1 pending task which entails linking your QSeverse account. Please click on the View button associated with level 1 task. Scroll down and click on Submit Proof of Work. Submit proof of work on the chat. To get the proof of work, visit QSeverse app and capture a screenshot of the completed task. Submit proof of work in the chat. Once submitted, you will get a reply in the chat. The peer will review the proof and grant karma points accordingly. Now you are ready to claim the credentials. Thank you.